Hello, everybody. This is Shantae, and right now I want to just talk to you about this thing that we call a sales funnel. Now, if you're someone that wants to go out and get leads, and you've been thinking to yourself, I need leads. You know, all businesses need leads. Don't make the mistake that I've made where I've created different products, but I never took care of the marketing. So therefore the products, they fell flat on their face because no one really knew about them. So I discovered years ago that you need a funnel. So you need a funnel because it's a place where you'll offer a gift and in return, you're able to start building your database. So they give you their email address, possibly a phone number. But in a sales funnel, an email will usually work because the gift is free. That's why it's called a gift. So the first step is this. You need a landing page. Now, this landing page is going to have what we like to call a lead magnet, and that will be the gift. For that gift, they will give you their email address. Now, you're probably saying, okay, now you got the email address, then what? Well, we'll get back to that. But once they give you their email address, you're going to immediately give them the gift, either in a PDF, give them access to whatever, a mini course, or whatever that gift is. You want to get it to them quickly. The next step is they will then be brought to what's called a sales page. Now, this sales page will then describe whatever product that you're trying to sell. It's usually a low tier product. It could be anywhere from $37 or all the way to $97, depending on what the product is. Because it's low tier, you're not really trying to make them or persuade them to spend more because they don't know you yet. But they may be willing to spend $37 or $97, depending on if the product is good. Once they're in the sales page, then they get to the checkout page. Now, the checkout page, ladies and gentlemen, is where they'll have to put their credit card information, the information that they need in order to complete the sale. But while they're there, you're going to do what's called an upsell. And an upsell, ladies and gentlemen, is where you will offer them something of greater value to possibly increase their purchase. You may offer them a free coaching session. You may offer them more bonuses, more time, whatever it may be. It's something that's going to get them spending more with you. So it's an upsell. If they decide not to take your upsell, then you're going to do what's called a downsell. And in the downsell, it's another offer, but it's not as expensive as the upsell. Maybe you'll give them a free coaching session if they go ahead and move forward with the sell and the downsell. The point of the matter is it's a time for you to increase the revenue that you're going to receive from the sale. Now, let's get back to the emails. If they go through the process and decide not to take the product, well, you're going to send them 7 emails. Now, these emails will go out to them over the next 5 days. And in those emails, you're going to send 2 of them the second day. You're going to send another 2 the 4th day. And another 2 is going to go on the 5th day. And then 1 on the 6th day. So basically over the next 7 days, they're going to receive 7 emails. And each email is going to attempt to take them back to the sales page, where they can then become a happy customer and go through the whole entire sales funnel. And yet you're still building your leads you're still continuing to build your database, and you can continue to market to those individuals who you attracted from a Facebook ad. That's a sales funnel. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for watching. Continue to follow me on Smart AI workshops, where I'm going to help you work smarter and not harder. Take care, and I'll see you guys on our next episode. Bye now.